It is water, and as you notice, it's falling. Yes, yes, yes. Here I am next to a pretty waterfall. It's about 5 minutes from Casa Trebbio, just kind of further up the hill, and I'm on a kind of a hairpin bend just here going down into Lucca. I'll show you the hairpin. Behold, pretty waterfall. Very pretty, isn't it? Very lucky to have this. Yes, 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 yes. It's very pretty, and it is a waterfall. It is water, and as you notice, it's falling. Sorry if that's getting a bit scientific. So what happens is the water comes from the sky and also out of the ground, and then it comes down, and the water falls down here. And that's why they call it a waterfall, because it is a water fall. Science. That's science. Yes. Yes. Yes.